On tonight's episode of Unanswered Oddities, humans, are they real or just a youngling's fairy tale? Humans have been a great mystery of our time. These creatures of lore supposedly ate potatoes and enjoyed sleep. They're thought to be long extinct if they ever existed at all, but recent sightings have stirred up the debate once again.
I went out for my midnight lurk and, I was just being creepy and weird, and that's when I saw it. There was a human. You could tell by the knees. I've seen them in the historical books, and it was just standing there, listening to sounds.
Well, in case you missed it, guys, let me tell you, everything in this video has been generated using AI, from visuals to voices to background music. Yes, AI never sleeps, and it is evolving every single day. Now, it has become incredibly easy to leverage AI and create content. Just a few days ago, everyone was talking about how good Sora 2 is, but now VEO 3.1 is all they can talk about. And let me tell you what, guys, VEO 3.1 looks amazing. I've actually used VEO 3.1 to make this video, and in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I made this video step by step. I will literally cover everything: how to get the idea, draft the script, create visuals, voiceovers, background music, and finally edit and put everything together. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the video. Step number 1, idea. Now, this is a very important step of the process. If you have a great idea or concept for your video, everything else becomes much easier. You can come up with something on your own, or you can use the help of AI to get suggestions for new, unique video ideas, or even take inspiration from others. In my case, I took inspiration from this YouTube channel. They make awesome, hilarious videos, all AI made. You should definitely check them out. They're absolutely hilarious. Step number 2, script. Now, once you have the idea for your video, you need to come up with a script or a draft. You can write the draft on your own, which is great. Or if you're like me, you can simply use AI to write the script for you. Let me show you how to do it. First, open ChatGPT and give it this prompt. Don't worry, I'll also share the prompt with you so you can use it too. As you can see, it has created a scene-by-scene draft for your video. You can use it as it is or make some changes if you feel it's needed. I made a few tweaks to mine to get the final draft. Step number 3, visuals. Now, before we move ahead, I have some exciting news. Many of you have requested and emailed me to teach how to start a Faceless YouTube channel and monetize it. So I'll be making tutorial videos showing everything from scripts, voiceovers, avatars, and video editing to my full thought process and the tools I use to create my videos. I will be uploading the videos on YouTube, and they will be accessible only to channel members. If you really want to learn from me, click the join button to become a member. I've kept the price very low, and I hope to see you there. Now, visuals are the most important part, ladies and gentlemen, because without great visuals, nothing else really matters. You have to make sure you put in a lot of effort to get good quality images. Once you have that, turning them into videos becomes really easy. To generate the images, we'll be using my favorite, Seedream 4. I absolutely love this image generator because of its quality and character consistency. And for the videos, we'll be using VEO 3.1. Now, you can try running both of these models on Hugging Face for free, but there will be generation limits, folks. I think you can only generate 2 to 3 times before it asks for a subscription. And to be honest, making videos of this quality is simply not possible using only free tools. So you'll have to make some investments if you want to create something truly great. That's why we'll be using Higgsfield AI to make both the images and videos. They're currently offering unlimited generations for both VEO 3.1 and Seedream 4 if you have a subscription, which is just awesome. Now, to get started, simply click the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. After that, you'll see an interface like this. Here you can see they're offering unlimited access to Sora 2, along with VEO 3.1, Nano Banana, and Seedream 4. That's really nice. Now, to generate the images, hover over the image section and select Seedream 4. It will take you to this interface. Next, let's give it our prompt to generate the image. I'll use this prompt for the first scene. By the way, I've made a detailed guide where I've added all the prompts for the images, videos, music, and everything else you'll need to create your videos. Just comment guide and I'll share it with you. After that, make sure to turn on the unlimited option so that it doesn't deduct your credits, and then simply hit generate. And here's the output. This image looks absolutely phenomenal. It looks extremely real, doesn't it? The skin texture on his face, the wrinkles, the way the light hits him, it all looks like practical effects from a big budget studio. Seedream 4 took a weird concept and made it look completely believable. That's the power of good AI image generation right there. Now let me show you how you can create different images while keeping the same character face. First, select the image. Next, type in the kind of shot you want. It doesn't have to be detailed, and then just hit generate. And here it is. Wow. As you can see, we've got a side view shot now, and the character and set are perfectly consistent. Isn't that awesome? This is exactly why I love generating with this tool. Finally, all you need to do is create all your images one by one. And remember, this is unlimited, so don't stop until you get the best set of images for your video. Once you're done with the images, let me show you how to turn them into videos using VEO 3.1. Hover over the video section and choose VEO 3.1. It will take you to this interface. From here, we need to upload the image. I'll upload this one. Next, and this is the most important part, the prompt. In the prompt, I'll paste this text, and as you can see, I've put the dialogue I want the character to say inside quotation marks, so make sure you do that too. After that, you can choose the resolution. I'll go with 1080p. Also, make sure to turn on the unlimited option so it doesn't deduct your credits, and then just hit generate. And here's the output.
On tonight's episode of Unanswered Oddities, humans, are they real or just a youngling's fairy tale?
Wow, that was amazing, right? The motion is super smooth. The way he's walking forward while talking feels very natural, just like a real documentary host, and the lip sync is absolutely perfect. VEO 3.1 really nailed this one. I'm very happy with the output. Let's try one more. I'll upload the image for the second scene, give it this prompt, and then hit generate. And here's the output.
Humans have been a great mystery of our time. These creatures of lore supposedly ate potatoes and enjoyed sleep.
Now this also looks stunning. It looks incredibly real. This is Hollywood level work, man. Before, you had to hire professionals and spend a lot of money to make something like this, but now you're just one prompt away. It's crazy to think about. You might have noticed that the previous clip and this one have different voices. Don't worry, I'll also show you how to fix that. Next, all you need to do is turn every image into a video. And remember, this is unlimited, so don't stop generating. Step number 4, audio. Now, since VEO 3.1 generated different voices for each scene, let me show you how you can fix that. First, open CapCut, upload the clips where the character is the same, but the voices are different, and add them to the timeline. I've added the videos of the host here. Next, click on export. You can give it a name if you want. Then turn off the video option, scroll down and turn on the audio option. This will export only the audio. Once that's done, hit generate. After that, open ElevenLabs using the link in the description and sign up. Yes, I also use ElevenLabs to generate my voiceovers. Next, go to the voice changer option, upload the voice clip we just exported, and then from the voice section, choose a voice you like. As you can see, there are lots of options. After that, click generate speech, and it will change the voice, make it high quality, and most importantly, keep the same voice consistent throughout the entire clip. Once you're done with that, let's generate the background music. For that, we'll use a tool called Udio. You can use Suno if you want, but for this specific video, Udio worked better for me. To open it, click the link in the description and sign up. After that, go to the create option and type your desired music style. I'll write this. Again, everything is in the doc, so just comment guide and I'll share it with you. Then make sure you select the instrumental option and click generate. It will create the perfect soundtrack for your video. Here's the output. Let's play it. Wow, that sounds really nice and exactly what I was looking for my video. And finally, step number 5, editing. For this, I'll be using CapCut because it's super easy to use. First, open CapCut, then upload all your clips, voiceovers, and background music. Next, add the voiceover to the timeline, just like this. After that, drag and drop your video clips one by one into the timeline and adjust their lengths accordingly. Once you're done with that, let's add some transitions. To do this, go to the Transitions tab and look for the black fade transition. Then, just drag and drop it between your clips. It's very simple. You can change the duration from here, add transitions for your other clips too, but make sure you don't overdo it. keep it subtle. Next, I've added some text in between. You can do that as well by going to the text tab. It's really easy and simple. After that, let's add a filter to make the video look more appealing. Go to the filters tab and choose one you like, and I'll go with this one. Drag it and drop it onto the timeline and adjust its length to cover the entire video. Then change the intensity from here. And finally, our video is ready to export. Click on export, give it a name, choose the video quality, and hit generate. And here is the final result.
On tonight's episode of Unanswered Oddities, humans, are they real or just a youngling's fairy tale? Humans have been a great mystery of our time. These creatures of lore supposedly ate potatoes and enjoyed sleep. They're thought to be long extinct if they ever existed at all, but recent sightings have stirred up the debate once again.
I went out for my midnight lurk and, I was just being creepy and weird, and that's when I saw it. There was a human. You could tell by the knees. I've seen them in the historical books, and it was just standing there, listening to sounds. I thought I might die.
I would call to the scene around midnight. Mr. Fug's muck was in a panic. I searched the area for humans, but only found a toothbrush.
We don't know much about humans, other than they were most likely wildly stupid creatures. We do believe they did some cool things, though.
The current prevailing theory is that humanity was wiped out by what were called the windows. It is believed that their deity opened the windows and humans were sucked into them one by one.
But of course, not everyone believes that humans ever existed.
Humans ain't real, brother. That's a ruse made up by the monolith to distract us from the fact that they're putting protein in our food.
Wow, that was absolutely stunning, wasn't it? And now, you can do it too. I was able to make this within just a few hours, so imagine the kind of content you can create with a little bit of effort and creativity. So go ahead and start creating your awesome content now. And if you face any issues, let me know in the comments. I'll be more than happy to help. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.